goes one. You push this up. This side pulls out towards us. Get through that little groove down there, like so. It just pulls out, like so. Now we have a module. CM module. There's actually this light colored board with this Volvo CM2 V1. And we just connected it up. There we go. Please save the SIM password, okay? Okay, so this is going to be the SIM name right here. Just save all this information right here. Please select send password. It's the only one we have in here. Keys in the slot. Three keys, hell yeah. It's a storage path of the third key.